don't know. Damn, Melica, that line though. A girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Morning. Yo! How are they damn? Yes, so guys, today is Monday, February 19th. And today, my color is not pop properly. Today, I'm going to a business meeting outside of the parish. So, I have to leave extra early. Work by my timing. I used to be a person that I was always late. But you know, Melica, you really get me named late. But, you know, God has been just so good. I'm just tighten up the edges because my grandmother always tell me, early bird catch up most work. But then I never did I get none of work, me I tell you. Yeah, so going on the business meeting today. Hopefully everything goes well. And good morning. I can come back early and stuff. I still have school later. Alright boy, my lip glass. Pop over. Shut my face cause more while my time in my ears myself I'm not telling me. Okay. So when I'm on the road I walk now. I had to leave my drive this morning because he's not leaving right now. As I said, I have to be early. Morning, Morris. Yeah. Yesterday I didn't get to go to church, but I went to the country. Had a good time up and down and sitting. Move! What's this dog? I must have been like them. Every time I reach out to sudden dog, you attack me. Taxi! My second taxi driver just passed me. Okay guys, I'm back from the meeting. Everything went well. I am heading to the bank right now. Bank. Oh, I'm gonna see sign. Scotia Bank. Head inside and deal with some stuff. Damn, even some look clean today. I did for small one. Alright, we'll turn on the camera. I'm so damn. Guys, what up? I'm presently at school. I need to start on me. I need to figure. I do me here later on down in the week. Don't mind here. Gotta get it done later on in the week. You're still bad man. Maybe I have to go down here just so I should start out about some. I'm gonna work tomorrow. Presently at school. I just done mash up some fried rice and sweet and sour chicken. And you don't know, water. Guys, I believe water should sponsor me as one of their brand ambassadors because all I do is drink water no matter what. All I do is drink no matter what. Why am I in the classroom by myself? I crack up myself. And some rolling now, I like give myself jokes and laugh and like, you know, be locking the crowd all by myself. Ouch, shoot, itch pain. How come? Yeah, so after a long day, I started my day like 6 o'clock this morning. It's now 5 o'clock. I'm at school. I have a class at 6 till 8. So today has been a very packed day, but I must say I got a lot done. It was really a productive day. After I go home, I want to start practice some math. I have some statistics to do, so I need to do that. Come out of one test. I did one going to a shop for some shoes because I go somewhere. I need one shoes to carry off my thing and thing. But I'll have to deal with that tomorrow. Yeah. So guys, try to be productive. I try to be productive because before I wasn't this productive, you know. I used to waste a lot of time and I still believe I do waste a lot of time now, but me I work to be more and more productive every day. I'm not where I was. You understand? So that's a great thing. So that's what I'm doing now. This is where I end this vlog. So I would end the vlog. Before I go, if you don't want know my water intake, I try to drink a gallon a day. I have a big jug that I drink out of. Some people are coming here for me. No, I don't. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. Lashelle, come say hi to your vlog.
Pardon me? Oh, that's a new vlog?
Yeah. Lashelle is here. We go to the same school together.
Are you here?
No, I'm not have them on vlogs. I'm not them on. Lashelle, tell them to subscribe.
Oh, Lashelle, change it up.
Say Skylife.
Change it up. Shit. Change it up, call me. Anyways.
Fly high, sky high. Skylife. What you talking about?
You could have do it so, no?
Please. Give this video a
No
thumbs
longer
up.
not see me. Remember when I used to be on Terry Road?
You have vlogger?
Remember when I used to be on Terry Road? I said, this is Lashelle. The baby. My baby. My baby.
Later, guys.